Hands down, current favorite sneaker model in my collection right now. That's right, I'm talking about the New Balance 9060, this time in the Workwear colorway. Pick these up from Naked Copenhagen at a retail price of $150. By far, one of the most comfortable sneakers in my collection for the comfort, dual density SBS and Absorb midsole tech. Gives you everything that you need for a comfortable wear all day. And yeah, the official colorway actually is comprised of Workwear, Rich Earth, and Angora. If you didn't know, the 9060 draws inspiration from the original New Balance 991 and 860.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, another New Balance 9060, this time in Workwear. The warm earth tones of this specific colorway spoke to me immediately as soon as I saw official pictures drop. I've seen them on feet. I've seen them all over the internet, and thanks to Naked Copenhagen, secured these, no hassle, no issues. The only problem with picking up New Balances within the US, especially if you're a smaller size, they don't always drop in smaller sizes. Even on New Balance's website, quite often they will stop, or start, I should say, at a men's 7.5 or a men's 8. I can't do anything with that, so shout out to Naked Copenhagen for having my true size 6 to add to cart, check out. They arrive faster than any domestic shipping that I ever had. With that being said, yes, my third pair, and quite possibly I think I could add a fourth pair to my collection. I really do. I firmly believe I could add another pair of these to my closet. I just love any and everything about them, and the comfort is there. The execution, just in terms of the silhouette, we know that New Balance delivers on value as well as the material quality that you get in. There's not much more to say outside of, if you haven't tried out a 9060, not saying this, I don't think any shoe is a must-have, but I think it deserves a chance. I will say that. I think it absolutely deserves a chance. Now, I've heard some people say, hey, I have larger feet and I just don't think it looks good. I think it looks best on smaller feet. I 100% respect that. No matter what, always buy what you like. It should not matter if myself or anyone else stands before you and says, hey, like, this is my favorite model. You could absolutely hate it, and that's perfectly fine. I'm in love with the 9060, and it's similar to the Forum 84 High Cut, where I want multiple colorways to add into rotation. Expect to see this one a lot. Now, there was so much that could be done with just the fit for this because of the colorway, but I just showed two simple looks right here to keep it easy, keep it simple. Two different styles of hats as well. We had the Kith fitted hat with the Tapestry design, and then also the wide brim fedora hat in that camel brown colorway. And for the socks, I know someone will ask, they're actually Nike socks, no shame there. They dropped an earth tone pack a while back. I believe it was either on Finish Line or it might have been on Nike as well. So I paired those with these just because I wanted another brown tone in the mix. I have lighter shades as well, and yes, I will rock them with these New Balances. Again, I already said no shame in my game there, but have fun with this pair if you get them in. Perfect for fall. I mean, if you were to say, hey, can you pick out a fall sneaker, which I will do a video just on fall focused sneakers, I guess, that I have in my closet, but this will absolutely be at the top of my list. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.